Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe for my further videos as I upload my new videos on every Monday, Friday and Sunday. Okay, so welcome to Monday Message. Okay, so last week I uploaded a post on a story on Instagram saying that is following everyday routine compulsory to be successful, and I asked you guys to vote for that, and I got is 58% no and 42% yes. So what I feel, so I'll tell you guys my point of view. And some of them even messaged me that what is their point of view. So first I'll tell my point of view and then I'll say some other people's point of view, my friends' point of view. Okay, so is following everyday routine compulsory to be successful? What I feel is yes, it is compulsory to follow a routine to be successful. You know why? Because if you can't follow a routine, you can't be successful in following a routine. You can't do anything, and following a routine leads you towards more clarity, what all things you want to do, and more things you can do, time management you can learn, and you can learn a lot of things, and it becomes consistent that you are doing this things every day. So you can concentrate on your body, on your skin, on your business, or on your work, on your studies, and everything you can cover in that one day. So following routine is compulsory. Yes, you can take holidays, you can take cheat days, yes, on festivals, everything you can do, but I feel is following a routine is very necessary to be successful, and I myself follow a routine, and there must be many of you guys who must be following the routine and must be happy. Yes, some people feel that kya machine ke jaisa roz karne ka, but this is life. Come on, if you want to be successful, you have to follow a routine. That's what I feel, and it's okay. Everyone has different point of view. No one is right, no one is wrong. It's just everyone have different point of view, and we must respect that, and I do respect that. Okay, so I'll tell my friends' point of view what they say, and I'll put the link of their Instagram handles in the description box, so do check out them and follow them. They are really amazing people, and if you want to answer those questions and all those stuffs, so do follow me on my Instagram, and you can even follow me on my Snapchat. Links are given in the description box, and that's it. So let's start. Okay, so this girl says that yes, you cannot build an empire in a day. Consistency, commitment and hard work is compulsory. Yes, it is. That's what I feel. Like, seriously, you're same pinch. This is my friend, so do check out her Instagram handle and do follow her. Now what he says is that Swaraj, sorry, I don't know how to pronounce, sorry. Okay, he says neither yes nor no, because for me success means satisfaction, and satisfaction has no relation with routine. Okay, so I seriously have no idea. You gave a diplomatic answer, but it's okay, everyone has a different point of view. Now what Viraj says that I don't want to follow a routine. Come on, it's okay. Then what Hitarth 2501 has to say is that no, you just need spark to success. Yes, this is true, you need spark to success, that you need that willpower, you need that passion for your work or for any of the thing in which you want to get success. But for that also I feel is that you have to follow a routine, because everything, you can't do everything in a one day, but you can do something every day, so that after some days you'll get something. I _ am Dhwaj has to say, you can follow his Instagram handle. It's really amazing. He's my friend and he's a YouTuber. I'll put his YouTube link in the description box. Okay, so what he has to say is सबका अपना अपना belief है, following a routine is good, अच्छे result मिलते हैं, but no connection with success or to be successful you need to work hard, and hardworking people can't follow a routine. Okay, this is his point of view, and it's amazing. There must be many people who must be agreeing with him, so do let me know in the comment section. And what Kavish, he is also my friend, college friend. So you can, what he has to say is, yes, following daily routine makes you more efficient, reduces need to plan, saves time, break bad habits, helps in becoming more professional, prioritize and build self-confidence. Kavish Shangvi, he has even given his bio, I guess, his website. I'll put that link in the description box, www.kavishshangvi.me, so you guys can follow him. Okay, that's it. You can let me know your point of view in the comment section, and please do subscribe my channel. And Monday message, yes. So the message for today, for the people who are new to my channel and who don't know, every Monday I open a message from this dream jar, motivational message, so you can follow this throughout your week and it may help you some or the other way. Okay, so the message for today is, I'll open a message from bottom. Okay, see, this is really nice. I liked it. The ones who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Yes, if you feel you can do something, yes, you can do something. Don't give a second thought on that. Like, if you got a thought, yes, you can do it. And always positive thinking leads to a positive day, and a positive day leads to a positive life. So always be positive and inspire and love everyone. That's it. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my video. And please follow me on my social media and subscribe. We are soon, like seriously, I want to soon cross 10k, and I have a really nice giveaway planned for that. So please do subscribe and comment below your point of view. That's it. Bye bye.